Today I am going to explain S4 area in real world in block 20, that is part 1, and today I am going to complete in practice question, that is part 2. Okay. Previous class we learned about how to find the area and we learned formula also. What is the formula, children? Area is equal to rows into column. Okay, here area is equal to, we took rows taken as length, column is taken as breadth. We multiply length into breadth, we will get the idea of area, and area will measure in square centimeter. Okay, children. There are other units that we use to measure area, that are square centimeter. This you can write in short form, square centimeter, and this you can write like this also, centimeter square. Okay, now square meter. This you can write square meter in short form, or you can write meter square. Next one, square kilometer. This you can write square kilometer in short form, or kilometers square. Okay, children, I hope you understood. Now, these are the different units, children. Square centimeter. This one we can write in short form, square centimeter, or we can write centimeter square. Next, square meter. Square meter we write in short form, square meter, or meter square. Square kilometer. Square kilometer in short form, or you can write kilometer square. Okay, I hope you understood. Now open your workbook, you do all this. Write date 1/3/2021. S4 area in real world. First question, find the area. A bit, here the given shape, cylinder rectangular shape, length is 9 cm, breadth is 5 cm. As you know, area of the rectangle, the formula, what is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. First we will write the formula. Area of rectangle is equal to L into B. L into B means length into breadth. L means length, B means breadth. So L is how much here? This is length 9 cm, breadth is 5 cm. So 9 5s are 45 square centimeter is the answer. Okay. Now B bit, you do it as homework. Second question, find the area. A bit, L is equal to 7 cm, B is equal to 6 cm. L means length is equal to 7 and breadth is 6. So here also you have to write area of rectangle is equal to L into B. Length is how much? 7 cm. Breadth is 6 cm. So 7 6 are 42 square centimeter. Now this B bit you do it as homework, children. Third question, measure the length and breadth of the picture and find the area. Children, here rectangular shape. This is which shape, children? This is a rectangular shape. You have to measure length and breadth and find the area of the picture. So exact you keep here 0, children. See here exact, it is 10. So length is how much? 10 centimeter. Now breadth here 0, here 7.3. So breadth is 7.3 centimeter. So now write here area of picture is equal to length into breadth. So length is 10 centimeter, breadth is 7.3 centimeter. Here 7.3 into 10, that means 730. So after one digit point is there, so after one digit you write the point. So 73 centimeter square is the answer, or square centimeter. 73.0 square centimeter is the answer. Okay children, I hope you understood. Now open your reader, we will do practice questions. Now open your reader, practice questions. First question, calculate the area of rectangle with length and breadth 8 cm and 7 cm respectively. Draw the diagram. Okay. Children, take it to your classwork. Write heading Block 20 area and perimeter. Practice questions. Page number 146. Write date 1/3/2021. So first question, draw diagram. Children, here you have to draw rough sketch, children. Okay, just a rectangular shape you have to draw. Rough sketch means without measurement. Not exact measurement. Okay, now this is length is how much it is given, 8 cm, breadth is 7 cm. Now find the area. Right here, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay, length is how many centimeter? 8 centimeter. Breadth is 7 centimeter. So 8 sevens are 56 square centimeter is the answer. Okay. Now second question, the length of a rectangular plot is 70 meter and breadth is 30 meters. Calculate the area of the plot. So here also same method you have to follow, children. Area of the rectangular plot is equal to length into breadth. Length is 70 meter and breadth is 30 meter. Multiply and find the answer. Okay, answer you have to write in square meter because here it is given in meter. Now third question, calculate the area of the rectangle if L is equal to 1 meter and B is equal to 40 centimeter. Here length is given. Length is equal to how much it's given, children? 1 meter. So breadth is 40 centimeter. Here length is, it is given in 1 meter, breadth is in 40 centimeter. So this length you have to convert in centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter, children? 100 centimeter. So here length is, you can write in 1 meter means you can write 100 centimeter and breadth is equal to 40 centimeter. Now area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So length is 100 centimeter breadth is 40 centimeter. So 100 into 40 is 4000 centimeter square, or square centimeter is the answer. Now fourth question, which has more area, your hand span or foot span? Okay, this you do it as homework. Now fifth question, measure the area of the irregular shape in the figure. Here shaded part is there, no children. This shaded part area you have to find. You know how to find the area of the shaded parts. See here, full squares you have to count first, and two halves make one square. Okay, you have to find and write the answer in here. Next, sixth question. A page of your notebook is fully covered by 6 pictures. Calculate the area of the page if each picture is measuring 8 cm by 6 cm. Children, you think this is the page of your notebook covered with 6 pictures. So what it's given, it's measuring 8 cm by 6 cm. Each picture is how many centimeters? 8 cm. That means 8 cm, 8 cm, 8 cm. 8 trees are 24 centimeters. 3 pictures is how much? 24 centimeter. Here like this breadth is 6 centimeter. That means 6 plus 6 is 12 centimeter. That means here length is 24 centimeter, breadth is 12 centimeter. So now find the area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So length is 24 centimeter, breadth is 12 centimeter. So 24 into 12. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1 4s are 4, 1 2s are 2, 8, 4 plus 4 is 8, 2. So 288 centimeter square is the answer, or square centimeter is the answer. Next, 8th question. The area of rectangular park is 1400 square meter. If the length of the park is 70 meter, calculate the breadth. So here children, area is equal to what it is given here. Area is given. Area is how much? 1400 square meter, and length is 70 meters. Breadth you have to find. Breadth how much? Now write area of rectangle is equal to rectangular garden. You write like this, rectangular park is equal to length into breadth. Okay, area of rectangular park is given how much? 1400 square meter. Then length is 70 meter. Breadth we don't know, we have to find that. Breadth is equal to, so this part will take left side, 70 meter into breadth is equal to 1400 square meter. Now we want breadth. Now we have to find breadth, so we will write breadth is equal to 1400 divided by this part will come down, 70 meter. So 0 0 cancel, 7 1s are 7 2s are 0 as it is you write. So what is the answer? Breadth is 20 meter. 20 meter is the answer. Children, if you want to verify, you can verify, children. 70 meter, bet we got 20 meter. 70 meter into 20 meter, you'll get how much? 1400 square meters. Okay, children. I hope you understood. Complete your classwork. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.